This past year has been a major period of accomplishments for Diagsoft and its employees, and I think for our customers also. We will exceed 10 million units of QA Plus shipped by the end of 1994. Our list of accomplishments this last year include the repurchase of our stock from Intel Corporation. Intel was instrumental in the growth and guidance to Diagsoft, and we continue to enjoy a technological relationship with Intel. Our newest product, QA Plus for Windows, has been accepted by IBM and is now shipping on the IBM Value Point Performance Series. We closed an agreement with Seiko Epson to be our trading partner in Japan. For the Apple Marketplace, we purchased Peace of Mind from the original developers. Peace of Mind was developed primarily at Supermac and is currently used at Supermac in running their factory. We have both a factory version for Macintosh diagnostics as well as an end-user consumer product. Our mission statement is to create products that help people utilize computer technology.
Basically, anybody connected with anything to do with the design, manufacture, or utilization of a PC is a customer of Diagsoft.
Manufacturers, the large manufacturers all throughout Asia, assemblers, people are using our factory and OEM products.
We've taken it into the field engineering area where field engineers can now go out in the field with a set of diagnostics that they can trust and they know are going to do the job.
To distributors, to dealers, to end users, to large corporations, to small independent people.
My customer is the end user. The average person who has a computer at their home or in their office.
QA Plus or QA Plus Win, QA Plus FE, QA Plus Pro is a vital tool to any computer user that has a PC today.
Without this seal, you're only testing your luck.
An end user, whether it be in the home or the office, should use QA Plus in order to isolate software and hardware problems.
And it follows the same testing criteria that was done in a factory. So the very same tests and type of tests that you ran in a factory can now be run at home in your system or in your office.
AST Research, AT&T Global Information Solutions, Gateway 2000, Data General, Digital Equipment Corporation, Bell & Howell, Epson America, Fujitsu, Hewlett-Packard, Loral Federal Systems Group, Hitachi Computer, IBM Corporation, Insight Distribution, Intergraph Corporation, Texas Microsystems, Micron Computer, NEC America, Pitney Bowes, Pioneer Standard, Sidus Systems of Canada. Hey, Diagsoft can help you. You know, that's our whole goal. We're a service organization.
The IBMs, the DECs, the AT&Ts, people who use our product, people who bundle our products with their PCs for resale to the end user. The technology that we have learned in providing them the best diagnostic product goes into the retail product line. Every bit of it. We don't give you a screwdriver. We don't give you a cut-up fancy box with our product, but what we do give you is integrity and quality in the product, and you can rely on the results that we achieve from our product.
QA Plus Factory provides a measuring device that is used by the end user, that is used by the technician, that is used by all of the customers of a manufacturer.
They're able to certify and validate their system before it is shipped to the customer, to know that the basic hardware functionality is there and in fact that it works.
It'll allow you to monitor your yields. It'll allow you to monitor your process, look for changes in the process, or look for problem areas that you should be addressing. You can actually scroll down the display and look at any units that are required to be looked at. In the unit, you will see an area for each particular unit under test. It'll give you labeled by the workstation. It will give you the serial number, the machine type. It'll give you the condition of what that unit is going through.
From a cost standpoint, it is bottom line and adds profit because you reduce the returns. By utilizing our QA factory product, that what you send out the door you know is going to work.
The bottom line, and that's what we're all talking about, it's free. Yes, they do pay us a sum for that factory product, but the savings that they're going to get are pay back to them in return goods not being returned.
The real key behind this product is that it's a quality assurance tool, not just a test tool.
It improves your image, it improves your bottom line, it reduces your returns, it makes you more profitable.
Manufacturers should bundle QA Plus with the systems they ship simply to allow the user to have a standard measuring device.
QA Plus is the first line of defense against going to the repair shop or causing a user hours of grief trying to analyze why their software applications are not running properly or why the mouse doesn't work correctly. It's the first line of defense, and everybody needs that.
In this particular case, you need to have the end user have a way of knowing the functionality is there, knowing that a device is working and working properly. So by bundling QA Plus with the system, you're allowing the end user to have that measuring device.
QA Plus is a product line that provides to its customers an insurance policy. An insurance policy to keep that hardware running 100% of the time.
The first thought is, I spent a couple $1,000s on this machine. It doesn't work. I'm going to send it back. I'm going to take it back to the dealer. That wastes your time. It wastes the distributor's time. It may be something simple. Our product, by bundling with it, will certify and test that everything you've got is correct, and it works.
The ETSC is the best thing that's ever happened to the PC market.
What ETSC does is, and it's an integral part of the QA Plus Windows product and soon to be in all of our products, will send up the critical problem or the critical files in a DOS environment, for example, autoexec.bat and config.sys, and if Windows is involved, then it'll send the appropriate Windows files, along with a summary of the specific hardware configuration that the person has, and also at any of the results of the diagnostics that have been run.
They can analyze it, look at it, and figure out quite quickly what's going on.
We're delivering a solution, not just a software package that, wrapped in shrink wrap. We're delivering solutions.
Hello, welcome to ETSC. This is Tom. How are you, Mrs. King?
Well, I'm fine, thank you. But how did you know my name?
Well, I can see not only your name, but all of your computer information as well.
Really?
Really. For instance, I can see you have an IBM Value Point 486 DX50 computer, and I can see you're having problems printing. I'm going to review your system configuration and find a solution. I think I know what the problem is.
Well, what could be the problem? I just bought this printer. Is it defective? It should be working.
Did you install the proper printer driver?
The what?
Don't worry. I'm loading the proper driver for your printer right now. There, that should do it. Okay, let's print.
Why, thank you. Thank you very much. You just made my day. Actually, you just made my month.
No problem, Mrs. King. After seeing your configuration, I would like to recommend some ways to tune your system for much better performance and speed.
What would that take?
Well, I can easily do it for you right now if you like.
Please, be my guest.
Okay, all finished. I think you'll begin to see a big improvement in your system performance.
That's great. I really appreciate the help. Thank you.
No problem. That's what we're here for. By the way, Mrs. King, did you know that we could arrange to schedule preventative maintenance for you?
How does that work?
Well, it's almost as easy as what we just did, except we can call your computer at a more convenient time when you're not so busy and remotely diagnose your system. We can then address any potential problem or recommend any changes that will optimize your system.
Yes, please send me the information.
Goodbye, Mrs. King. Thank you for using ETSC, and the information is on its way.
We've also placed our ETSC service on the internet, on the superhighway. ETSC.com is now operational. A World Wide Web serving from Diagsoft, attaching itself to the other support info bases around the globe.
It's AAA for the information highway. It's there. We're real.
ETSC is tomorrow, whose time has come.
This year we started Big Kahuna Productions, our multimedia production company.
Big Kahuna Productions has set up a working environment here at the Maui Research and Technology Center, complete with state-of-the-art production and post-production media tools. The state of Hawaii and many other wonderful organizations are committed to developing high technology here in Hawaii. We at Big Kahuna Productions are proud to be part of that plan.
We've been working with the state of Hawaii in increasing the focus on the potential of using Hawaii as the crossroad for technology between Asia and the United States. So Big Kahuna Productions will do both interactive CD-ROM titles, primarily focused on computer-based training, as well as full-length motion pictures.